Good morning, class 1. I'm Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we are going to revise chapter 6, that is food and shelter for animals. Food and shelter for animals. In the previous lectures, we had discussed that animals need food like we also need food, and this food help us to grow well and keep us healthy. Then we discussed that there are several types of animals which eat several types of food, like some animals eat only what plant products like cow, deer, buffalo. Some animals eat only flesh like lion, tiger, wolf, jackals. These are the animals which eat only flesh. There are some animals which eat both plant products and flesh also, like bear, crow, etc. There are some animals which eat only grains or seeds like pigeon, parrot, you can say squirrels also are there. So there are different animals that eat in different food. Then we discussed that there are some animals which live in the jungle. Some animals lives in our house with us. So shelter, so this question is about shelter, that how do animals why do animals need shelter and how it helps them. So shelter is a place which protect an animal. Shelter is a place which protect an animal from bad weather and also from the enemies. Like if I don't have my house, so where, so which I mean at the time of rain, how can I protect myself when it is very cold? So my house gives me what protection from that cold, from the sunlight. Your house also gives you that. So the house of a lion or the shelter of a lion also help him to protect from the rain, from the cold, from the hot weather. So this is the way shelter helps animals to survive well. So we had discussed that a lion lives in a den, elephants live in a jungle, snake lives in the hole in the ground, rabbits live in burrows, and like we keep some animals at our homes, like dogs live in kennel, horses live in stubble, cows and buffalo lives in shade, parrots live in cage. So these are the things we built for them and they stay with us. Now there are some animals which lives in open areas. These animals lives in open areas, or like you can say just open under the sky. Like the best example is spider. So where does a spider live? A spider lives everywhere, you can say in our home also. It makes a web in our garden also. You see on the several plants they make their web, and then they live on that web, catch the insects and eat them. So spiders web built a web and they stay there. So under the open sky they live. Small ants, they build ant hills under open the sky. Under the sky they built ant hills and they live in that ant hills. Then comes the bees. They build their own nest called bee hive, and then they do what, they collect different uh, nec I mean they collect nectars from different flowers, and they gather that nectar in their house or beehive. And in that beehive they change this juice of flowers into honey. And as we all know that honey is very important for us, we are using that honey in medicine and in normal food in our life. The next thing is woodpecker. So we all know that woodpecker make a hole in the bark and they live inside that hole. Now comes the beautiful butterfly. So we all know that butterfly lives where? In the garden with beautiful flowers. So this way animals eat different types of food and live at different places. So I hope you are able to understand the revision of this chapter, class. Read this chapter again and again. Any problem, ask me class. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.